Hey there, you're hanging out with the Organic Mechanic, and we're going to look at some of our 2008 summer trials going on. So I'm going to show you a bunch of plants, some grown in our competitors' potting soil, and then some grown in the Organic Mechanics potting soil. What we have here, this is a lobelia. It's a cardinal flower, and these plants, this one right here was grown in our competitions mix, and this one right here grown in the Organic Mechanics. You can see the one in the Organic Mechanics is a much darker green, a much healthier foliage, but also it's already blooming. Huge, gorgeous red flowers on this lobelia. Hummingbirds love this plant, but it's much bigger, it's already blooming much quicker than plants grown in our competitors mix. So, just shows that when you plant in Organic Mechanics, the plants get bigger faster, and they're gonna be blooming faster in your garden. This is a helenium. It's very similar to a daisy or an aster. They have gorgeous yellow flowers. This plant's grown in our competitors mix, and this plant would be grown in the Organic Mechanics mix. You can notice obviously the difference in size, the difference in color of the leaves, much more darker green and healthy in the Organic Mechanics mix as compared to our competition. So this last plant I'm going to show you, this is a grass, a panicum. This panicum is called heavy metal. That's the cultivar name. And what we have here, this plant was grown in our competition's potting soil, and this plant right here was grown in our potting soil. As you can see, the one grown in our potting soil is a lot bigger. Size definitely matters in the garden. This one's going to look prettier a lot faster. Versus grown in our competition's mix, this plant is just not quite as healthy, not as tall, and not as growing as fast in the competition's mix as compared to the Organic Mechanics potting soil. So it just goes to show, use good potting soil, get great results. Plants love the Organic Mechanics mix.